Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Troy, and if you're new here, thank you so much for checking out this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you being here again. So today I'm going to take you along for kind of a more chilled out, relaxed, maybe I just felt relaxed today while I was filming, just like a more relaxed clean with me video. I'm just going to clean up my bedroom, clean up the playroom, do some dusting. Nothing too crazy, but just a little bit more relaxed of a day in terms of cleaning. Also, I'm working today on moving Hannah's crib and belongings into her room, which is next door to my room. And yeah, so I'm going to show you a little bit of that, kind of how I change up my bedroom and move her stuff. I'm not really going to show you too much of her room. You'll see a little bit, but it's not done. It's not decorated really at all at this point. A little bit, it's getting there. But I still have like some things to put on the walls. I'm probably going to hang some curtains. Anyways, I'm going to wait and show you guys when it's all done. So yeah, let's get ready to start cleaning. I hope that you guys like this video. I should also mention, head over to Instagram, follow me there. My Instagram handle is just at Troy and her boys, and that is also like my other YouTube channel. It's more of like a mommy channel. It is called Troy and her boys. So yeah, check out that channel, check out my Instagram where I am active pretty much every single day. Sorry, I'm watching Hannah, she's here playing. But yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get ready to clean.
Okay guys, we are going to start off this cleaning video with doing some laundry. And as you can tell, I'm in my pajamas. I'm not dressed yet for the day, so I'm just hanging out with the kids. The kids are all playing in their playroom, and I am just folding up me and Hannah's laundry.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy.
Okay, so I'm whispering because Hannah is sleeping. Here, I'll show you. She's on the monitor. Is her little, I don't know, she must be sleeping almost like diagonal in her bed. But anyway, she's sleeping and she's in the room right over here. She's in her new room. I don't know, have I mentioned, no, I don't think I've filmed some cleaning in there, but I haven't posted it because, why? Because, I don't know why, because I was going to do like, you know, a progress kind of thing. But anyways, she is sleeping. She's having a nap in her new room. I'm so excited because that means while she naps, I can actually use my bedroom, my bathroom. So I got dressed while she was sleeping. Usually I have to do that when she's up because usually she sleeps over there. So I'm gonna just tidy up this room because obviously it's a bit of a disarray, bit of a mess, because we were cleaning this morning and moving furniture. We weren't cleaning, we were just moving furniture. It's a mess. So I need to just tidy it up. I'll show you kind of what it looks like before I clean it. It's a little dark in here. It's a rainy day, so it's gloomy. And I'm whispering, like I said, because Hannah's sleeping right next door. But I thought I'd just set you up and take you along with me while I just kind of tidy up in here. I'm going to tidy up my closet a little bit and maybe put away some laundry. I have some laundry to put in the dryer. So it's going to be a pretty relaxing cleaning video. I have a headache. It's a rainy day. I'm just going to take it easy and clean up. But I thought at least you guys could come along. So let's get started.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold.
So these are just some face cloths that I use for Hannah when I'm feeding her, and I just rearranged her bibs as well. So I'm just going to keep these by her rocking chair in her new room, and then I can always wipe her face, or you know, if she spits up or we need cloth, we have lots. And then this here is just all her diaper stuff, but it needs to be cleaned out and organized a little better because there's like garbage in here and there's some empty stuff. There's breast pads, garbage. It can go on my desk.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
If you guys remember, I can get rid of this now because Hannah's not sleeping beside me. This is just to put my like phone and stuff on so that when I put it down on my bedside table and she's asleep at night, it doesn't, you know, make a big loud noise here. So this can go in the wash and get cleaned. Okay, so I did clean around this room and just like tidy up and reorganize things. Not reorganize, but put things away. And I'm not quite done yet, but I do notice that it is getting dusty. I just like dusted everything, I think maybe 2 weeks ago. It might have even been last week, but it's really dusty. So I'm just gonna grab some all-purpose and just give everything a quick wipe. And I guess next is putting away my laundry and a lot of this stuff, like over here. This is gonna go, I'm guessing, into her new room. I'm running out of space, so the whole room needs to be set up differently. And I have a piece of furniture in there that needs to be painted. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. I need to take that piece of furniture out, I guess, and paint it. Take it down to the basement to be painted. So, or somewhere to be painted. We'll see. That probably won't happen today, is my guess.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. My heart rages around like an rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like my cleaning videos, make sure you do subscribe, because I am back every Monday and every Thursday here on my cleaning channel. And don't forget to head over, check out my Troy and her boys channel and my Instagram as well. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!